Hey boys and girls in video land, it's Bortone with Lou's Reviews, and today we are looking at the Fifine or Fifine microphone. And this is a lovely little microphone, USB mic that comes in several colors, as you can see. And we're going to do our unboxing of the Fifine microphone unboxing. And this is the new gooseneck model. Fifine makes a number of really nice microphones. This one is the least expensive and the smallest, and the first thing I'm struck by is just the size and the portability. So obviously you can take this microphone anywhere. Let's take it out of the box here. Wow, that is teeny weeny. That is really great and so portable. Very long USB cord that obviously plugs into your desktop or laptop. You can see the stand here, and it's pretty small. So I'm really struck by the portability of this microphone. Obviously you can take it anywhere and put it in a backpack or even a pocket. So this is the Fifine Gooseneck microphone. You can get it for about $15–16 on Amazon. As I mentioned, it comes in several colors. It is very small, and it is a condenser cardioid microphone. So we're going to test it out here. We're going to plug it in and see how it sounds. So right now I'm talking through the Blue Yeti Nano microphone. So maybe we can compare and contrast when we plug this in and see how this little bad boy sounds. Obviously it's pretty neat, pretty small, and can really kind of go anywhere at this size. This is the Yeti Nano. That's what I'm speaking into right now. This is about $100 USB microphone. Now when I switch to the Fifine gooseneck mic here, which you can see adjusts nicely. Let me switch over. And this one, when you pick it in the preferences, it's called the USB PNP audio device, as you can see here. So now I'm speaking into this mic, which if I put down on the desk about the same distance away from the Nano, we'll see if you can see any real discernible difference. Okay, so this is the new Fifine microphone, really affordable, really flexible, $17 US on Amazon. And now I just switched over to the Yeti Nano. So we'll have to see if you can tell any real difference without any sound editing or sweetening or anything like that. So this is the Nano, and this is the Fifine. So again, this is a great mic to travel with because it's so small. It's got a very long USB cord, so you can literally take it with your laptop and probably just plug it in anywhere. Because again, it's very, very flexible, very light, very affordable. So let me know what you think. This is the Fifine Gooseneck microphone. Again, very affordable at about $17. Fifine makes many microphones, which you can find on Amazon. A lot of different models. This is definitely the smallest and the least expensive. So let me know what you think. All right, guys, that's Lou's Reviews for this week. Tune in next Tuesday at 2 p.m. for another Lou's Reviews. Bye for now.